service. Going to change the plugs, change the oil.
Short. That boy's got his shirt on.
Got the pump hooked up. Got the tube down the dipstick. While we're waiting for that, we're going to pop each one of these off, each one of the coil packs off, and change the plugs.
Magnet guy.
I am going to put some anti-seize on the plugs, so next time we do this they will come out easy, not seize in there. Okay, got each one of these removed, each one of the plugs swapped out, anti-seize on each one of them so they don't seize up back in there. Now I just got to put these cap bolts back on for the coils, and once the oil's done draining, we just got to change the oil filter. Oh, nope, there's still more. Wasn't too big of a mess. Got oil put in it. Got the top put back on. Got it running now. We can fill up the oil filter. Then we'll stop, let it settle, check the oil again, see if we need to top it off, and we'll just keep checking it until we get it where we need it. Then, got the other side to do.
Thread on that part.
Saving my old man back.
Yep.
To spec. First trip out for the year. It is Memorial Day weekend. Hopefully it's not too busy. We just finished getting everything loaded up. Fill up the truck with gas and we'll be good to go.
It's a lot less windier up here.
second thought.
The last thing you said was, it's frigid. Don't do a backflip. That's how you get hurt.
Yeah.
Once you touch the air, you'll all be warm again.
Are you coming in?
When I get ready. Look at you, you're getting ready. I'm not getting ready yet.
Second myself up.
Really good move.
He's
Yep.
Not that the best.
There we go. Are you ready?
I guess.
You get to drive.
Or was it?
Could not have been me that wore this last. His denial of
No.
wanting to get wet.
No. 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 Did not get wet. He's walking me out. It's that.
I'm helping you with the board.
It's that Midwestern. All right. See you later. Yeah, because I know you were gonna push me in.
I'm not pushing you in.
You did. And you'll do it again. Stay back. Stay back.
I love you. I feel so bad. Ah.
Oh my God. No. It's horrible. It's bad.
So bad.
It's so bad.
You guys want I'm not doing it.
Don't.
All right, here we go.
Bet you had a ride, ain't you?
Here, hold back in for a minute.
46 top.
Started as a normal day on the lake, and then all of a sudden, bloop, it's a giant bird.
That's a good looking kayak.
Red boat over there.
Good?
Can't go back. Right there by that Dodge.
Good job, honey. Blow me smooches.
I'll get the drain plugs, but it's hard for me to hold that.
Ooh, no. Push it. Make it tight.
Hold
Pull
it.
it tight. Nope. Give it another crank. There you go.
More?
Nope.
Is that okay?
Yep. That's great. Got a system down now. Good job. Well, we are back. Made it back to Indy. Well, we went to the Lake Monroe in Bloomington. Thanks to my wonderful wife for driving the boat while I was surfing. Neither one of us are really good at it, but we sure do have fun with it. Boat ran great. We are going to check the oil since we had just done the oil change on it. The water temperature was cold, to say the least, but it's all good. It'll get warmer as we go. First trip out. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.